Do you want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face? Well, thousands of creators are doing it right now, and many are earning more than traditional vloggers. In this video, I'll share 10 profitable faceless channel niches that are trending right now, complete with real channel examples, average RPMs, and affiliate ideas you can use to start earning faster. Stay until number 1 because it's a niche with the highest RPM on the list and the easiest to monetize. Coming at number 10 is lo-fi and relaxation channels. These channels upload cozy ambient videos like coffee shop sounds, rain, or study beats. They rack up hours of watch time every day because people leave them playing in the background. You can loop royalty-free tracks and visuals, and once a video is live, it earns passively forever. The typical RPM for these are 50 cents to $2. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. And these are some channel examples that are doing the exact same thing right now. Coming at number 9 is trend and tech recap channels. These summarize what's new in AI, creator tools, or tech news. You can script everything with ChatGPT, add an AI voice, and record quick B-rolls from website. The typical RPM for these channels are $4 to $8. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. And these are some channel examples that are doing the exact same thing right now. Coming in at number 8, health and wellness explainers. These shares faceless tips around mindfulness, sleep, or nutrition using calm narration and simple graphics. The niche is evergreen, sponsor-friendly, and high RPM because brand love healthy living audience. The typical RPM for these videos are $5 to $12. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. And these are some channel examples that are doing the exact same thing right now. And number 7, we have AI and tech explainers. These channels show people new tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, or Canva Magic Studio and how they actually work. You can record your screen and add captions, and no camera required. These channels typically earn an RPM of $10 to $25. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. At number 6, we have educational storytelling. These channels transform business stories, history, or psychology into short documentaries. They hold attention because every episode feels like a story reveal. These channels typically earn an RPM of $8 to $20. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. At number 5, we have digital products and template channel. These channels teach viewers how to design planners, Canva templates, or Notion dashboards, and you can link your own shop in the description. You can earn ad revenue and product sales. And typically, these channels earn an RPM of around $12 to $25. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. At number 4, we have AI tool roundups. These channels have listicle style videos like 10 AI tools for creators, and these perform incredibly well. You can batch them weekly and include affiliate links for your every tool. These channels earn a typical RPM of $10 to $20. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. At number 3, we have motivation and quote channels. These channels use simple visuals, text animations, and music to deliver powerful daily inspiration. These are great for batch production, and you can make 10 in a day. The typical RPM for these channels are $2 to $5. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. And at number 2, we have automated business channels. These channels shows how to build passive income systems with Canva, ChatGPT, and other tools. It's perfect for creators who love tutorials and results-based storytelling. And these channels typically earn an RPM of $15 to $35. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. And at number 1, we have the most profitable niche, and that is finance and side hustle channels. These channels break down ways to make or manage money online with app reviews, budgeting tools, or business ideas. And advertisers pay top dollars for these videos. The typical RPM for these channels make $20 to $45. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. And as a bonus niche, we have faceless lifestyle diaries. So for these channels, you can think of some calm narration over cozy B-rolls about your routines, hobbies, or creative life. These attract brand sponsorships and loyal communities. And these channels earn a typical RPM of $5 to $10. And if you want to monetize further, here are some examples for you. So which niche fits you the best? You don't need a fancy camera, just consistency and a strategy. Pick one niche, post for 90 days, and your analytics will tell you exactly what works. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!